Hello everyone, this is a video on technology trends. As time goes, technology keeps on changing, and as science come up with new innovations and innovations, they keep on coming up with new ideas, those that can be used socially, economically, and even in the environment where we live. So these innovations are very important for our day-to-day lives. And then when you look at education, it's a key contributor in how people live. So these technologies do affect it positively and negatively. And when you look at what is transpiring currently, we come up with technologies like to do with the smartphones. These have made life very easy for us. We can listen to music, call, play football, send messages. We have the flash drives. These store a big quantity of information and can be retrieved at a later time. Then you have the Google, from which we go research for information. And this has revolutionized the way people search for information and can do anything from there. And then when you look at the Google Maps, people no longer get lost. People can virtually get where to go and find it without asking anyone. And then there is also online streaming services. These enable us to watch videos without downloading the video. You simply have to have the application. And then when you look at what is transpiring currently, we have Windows 10. Previously had Windows 7, but currently it is Windows 10 that is trending. And then you have the Wi-Fi. This is mobile internet. You can have internet from wherever you are. You can have it at whatever time you have, as long as you have your data. And then we also have social media. We have things like Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. This has enhanced collaboration, information exchange, and even accessing information. People can easily collaborate from Facebook. People can easily collaborate from YouTube. They can communicate. They can interact. So this has changed the way people live and how people look at things. And people can demand for so many things. So this social media has really changed the way people live. And then you look at Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a trend that enables one to do a number of tasks. You can multitask, you can be listening to music at the same time you can be driving your car. You simply have to have that Bluetooth that can help you to get linked to whatever you want to have. Then you can keep your hands available for other uses, such as driving car, also now sharing information. So that is very, very important. And then we look at Internet of Things. Just allow to check email, escape boredom. You also need possible many consumer devices to connect, share information without human interaction, creating a system called the Internet of Things. Internet is everywhere. Internet is working everywhere. Then you have artificial intelligence. This is also a trend. Words that are spoken can be turned into text. How would it be possible previously? It wasn't. And then this is also pattern for certain people who can't if one is spoken that can be turned into text. That means that people who can't hear and maybe can read, they can also be able to access that information. And then we also have the apps. These apps are helping us. You can access for things from wherever you are. Things can be brought at your doorstep. You don't have to struggle as long as you have the app. And then you also have what we call the virtual reality. Virtual reality has also helped us to be able to take into different worlds. It looks at reality can be created for things that were not possible previously. They can currently be created. We have video conferencing. This helped us a lot during the lockdown, and we were able to access a number of things like learning, We have the drones. Drones can do anything from a river bank.